Hey guys, this is Rohan with you, and I'm coming to you with a quick video in order to show you something super cool. Okay, I want to talk to you about Profit Vortex and how you can use this $8 product, okay, in order to help you make $1,000 to $2,000 per month. I mean, I'll show you proof also. I'm not making just any claim, okay, and you can see over here the product advertised as 2 to 3K per day. Now, obviously, this is scalable and you can reach that method, but I'm doing that much per month actually. So I can show you how it's possible. It's very easy. Okay. And I'll try to explain to you the concept, okay, really quickly in this short video. Okay. And if you stick around, okay, I'm going to, show you something cool at the end. Okay. So let's see what this product is about. And I'll show you a little bit of insight into it. And I'll show you my proof of income. Okay. So Profit Vortex is about banking 2 to 3K per day without ever relying on JV or affiliate traffic. Okay. So it's a step-by-step method, highly overlooked strategy, which is true. Okay. It's quick and easy job replacer. If you're making 2 to 3K per month, definitely in any third world country or even second world country or whatever it is, I think that kind of income is enough for you to stay at home. And it's not that difficult, guys. Trust me, it's not that difficult. It's perfect for newcomers, which is true. No product or video is required, nothing techy at all, which is also true. And it's be friendly as it gets. Now, we see a lot of these offers, they make all these claims, and you feel like these things are copy pasted on each and every product, right? And I agree with you. But in this case, I know the people behind this product, okay? The creator of this product is my mentor, okay? And that's how I have learned this actually from him. And then he released this product. So why not share it with all of you? So how this works is basically you set up a system, okay, where you are able to generate traffic for free. Okay, it's free traffic. All right, so you can see here, and the only two things I want you to look at is incoming, which is people sending me traffic. Okay, you can see that in the last just 2 months, it has been 10,500 clicks. Okay, so that's 10,500 unique visitors. Okay, and my outgoing, you can see here, is 9,600 plus my backup or anything that is going to my affiliate offers is about like 1160. So in total, that is like 10,700. Okay, so the main thing over here to know is that I have 10,400 or 10,500 visitors coming in, but I have 10,700 visitors going out. Okay, so let's see this over the last 30 days, for example. So you can see here, look at this now. There's 3,000 coming in, but almost 5,000 going out, which means the system teaches you a unique trick where the number of going in, okay, is less than the number of visitors going out. So, which means that over time, you are just making profit, right? If you're able to send out more than that's coming in, that's purely profit because you can convert these visitors into profit. There is a way to do that, okay, which that particular course shows you how to do it, right? And this is my proof of income. Now this is my Stripe account. You can see my name here, okay, and you can see my income from May 1 to June 30th is $3,500. Now I use PayPal also as a payment processor. In that there is another like 1,500. The thing is, I don't want to show it because I don't know how to screenshot out the buyers. I don't want to show that information. But anybody who has seen me online knows that I'm not bullshitting or anything, and you can feel free to check out my Facebook profile. I have nothing to hide, and I'm not trying to prove anything over here also, but I'm just trying to show you a method where you can make some easy profits, on a monthly basis, and I will support you as well. Okay, so very simple, guys. Definitely check out this Profit Vortex offer. Okay, it's only $8. All right, and you can see that the upsell is a super simple 300 per day method, which I highly recommend. Okay, and if later on you do well and you want to resell this product yourself, you can do that also. So you can go through the whole funnel if you want. It is packed with a lot of value and it's not even that expensive. You can see it's like 10, 15, 20, $30 products. But the good thing is I don't want you to downplay the quality of this product. Okay, it's really good. It has a lot of value. Okay, and the secret the bonus, the gift that I want to talk to you about for having stayed on this call, stayed on this video up till the end, is that I will personally help you. Okay, so I've done this. I know exactly how it works. If you buy from my link in the description below, I'll leave a link to this product in the description below. Okay, you just click that, and if you end up purchasing, just contact me on Facebook. Okay, I'll leave a link to my Facebook profile also. And just verify your purchase with me, and then I will work with you on a one-to-one basis so that I can guide you into you also creating the system for yourself. It is not complicated at all. It's pretty much one of the easiest things out there right now. Once you get the system in place, it just works passively. I can guarantee you that. Okay, so looking forward to interacting with you guys. The link to Profit Vortex is below. I highly suggest going up to the full resale rights if possible. Okay, it's like a $50 or $60 investment. It's not that much at all. Okay, and just follow the training, and I will be able to help you as well. And when we work on a one-to-one basis, there is no reason why you can't succeed in this, because it is that simple. And I have done it, so I'll show you how to do it. All right, guys. So thanks for watching this video. The link to Profit Vortex is below. Go ahead, get it. Okay, and let's start working together and making you some money. All right. So cheers, guys. See you later.